Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this one, we're talking about how to speed up Windows 11 boot time via BIOS settings. So one of the first things you should enable that actually should already be enabled in your BIOS is the fast boot or quick boot. So what it does, by default, your motherboard runs a full power on self-test called post every time you turn it on, checking every RAM stick, USB port and connected drive for errors. So enabling fast boot tells the motherboard to skip these redundant hardware checks and skip straight to loading the Windows. Then second, enable the UEFI mode and disable CSM. So Windows 11 strictly requires UEFI mode, but many motherboards still leave a compatibility mode turned on by default. So you can just look under the boot or security tab for CSM configuration or boot mode, and also ensure that CSM is set to disabled and boot mode is set to UEFI. Also guys, if you're running a modern DDR5 system, your motherboard may spend up to 30 to 60 seconds training your RAM on every cold boot to ensure system stability. So if you want to disable it, and you should, typically buried under deep or advanced, then AMD CBS, UMC common options, and then DDR5 options, then DDR options and memory features. So just find memory context restore, that's what you're looking for, and then just make sure that it's on, not off, turn it on. And don't forget to access your BIOS. You either press F2 if you're on a laptop or a certain motherboard brand, or usually it's delete. That is it. This is how you speed it up. Enjoy and thank you for watching.